in a world changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing everything. It's curing diseases, powering self-driving cars, and transforming industries. But here's the twist. It's changing jobs too. Studies predict that over 800 million jobs could be automated in the next decade. So, here's the choice. Be left behind, or be part of the revolution. Learn AI now, not just for your future, but for the future of your kids. Embrace the change, and together, let's shape tomorrow.